Designing, delivering, developing, and directing. Those are the four key responsibilities of an operations manager. Everything we use, buy, and consume, from fast food and Amazon deliveries to hospital care and IT support, these are all operations intensive organizations, taking in inputs, systematically processing them into higher value outputs. Operations managers are integral to all of them. So, what do they actually do? It's easy to remember with the 4 Ds. So, first, designing the operations. This is defining and creating the processes, layouts, resources, and workflows that make businesses run. Factories, hospitals, airports, and restaurants don't just happen. They are designed by operations professionals. Next up, delivering the operations. This means keeping the system running. Machines don't run factories. Operations managers do. Pilots don't run airports. Operations managers do. It's about planning, scheduling, and problem solving every single day. Developing operations. Even the best designed system needs continuous improvement. Whether it's cutting costs, improving service times, or integrating new tech, operations leaders drive change. Finally, directing operations, steering the ship, reviewing performance, reallocating resources, adjusting strategies. This is where an operations manager ensures the business stays on track for sustainable growth and efficiency. So, quick mention. Want to get a grip with your operations credentials fast? Well, check out my new Operations Management Accelerator Cohort. Link below. Operations management isn't just for factories and logistics. If you are a head chef, software development lead, senior lawyer, military captain, or department manager, then chances are you're already an operations manager, whether you use that job title or not. Many people get promoted into operations-heavy roles simply because they were great at their previous job. A fantastic engineer, doctor, programmer, or salesperson, but suddenly their new role is more about managing systems, people, and resources than their original skill set. And that's where the struggle begins. If you found yourself in an operations-heavy role, or you're aspiring to move up, you want to be building on a foundation of the core professional knowledge, tools, and approaches. That's why I'm offering the Operations Management Accelerator. It's a 4-week cohort program. It follows the syllabus of my incredibly popular basic course, but over an intense, structured 4-week period. Everyone will join at the same start time, and each week you'll study 2 to 3 modules, do assessments, and practice quizzes, and then we'll finish the week with a live webinar from me. Find the link in the description below. Operations management is the backbone of every organization, and mastering it is your shortcut to becoming indispensable. Crack on!